Steve with HillBilly Mojo. Today we're going to go over the basics of brisket. We're going to talk about how to make a good brisket every time. No frills, just good, tender brisket. Good technique, starting with the basics. Here we go. All right, first thing we're going to do is we're going to put a little oil on this thing. Now, you can use barbecue sauce, you can use honey, you can use mustard. A lot of people do that. Whatever you like. You put a little something, a little liquid on there to just kind of give it some adhesiveness. So when you put your rub on, it sticks, just gives it a little bit of moisture. So we're going to start with just a little oil. We're going to use Italian dressing on this one because it was handy. So we're just going to rub that all over. Get it good and moist on both sides. Okay, now it's ready for the rub. Okay, so we want to apply our rub liberally. We're using HillBilly Mojo Black on this one. It's a real coarse grain. It's got a lot of salt and pepper in it, coarse grain salt, coarse grain pepper. It's smoked salt. It's hickory smoked salt and hickory smoked pepper, among some other things in there. This is absolutely a bark maker. Try this on your brisket, pork butt, ribs, things like that. It's really, really good for smoking. If you want something that's got a really good, thick, robust bark on it, HillBilly Mojo Black, you can get that at HillBillyMojo.com. We're going to put a good liberal coating of our rub, or whatever rub you want to use. Make your own, however you like it. Salt, pepper's good. And just put a good coat on there so it makes a nice, thick bark. Okay, we've got our brisket ready for the smoke. We're going to put it on the fire. We're going to leave it on at about 225. You want to make that your target, about 225 to 250-ish. It should be your consistent heat in your pit. I find that I can accomplish that a little better by using large logs rather than small chunks or even charcoal. But you experiment and figure out what works best for you. Now we're going to put it on the smoke and we'll see what happens.
Put the brisket in the smoker so that it gets indirect heat. And an offset smoker like this one, we put it on the opposite end of the firebox. Let it cook for a couple to a few hours at 225 degrees. Once it gets a good start and has a little crust going on, or it's about 150 to 170 degrees internal, pull it out. Wrap it in foil or butcher paper and put it back in with a probe in it and let it get to about 200 to 205 degrees internal. When it does, remove it and let it rest for about 30 to 45 minutes and no peeking. Next, unwrap it and cut yourself a big old burnt end. It should be tender and pull apart with ease. Remember, the key is getting it up over 200 degrees while cooking it at 225 and then letting it rest. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. You can visit our website, HillBillyMojo.com, to see more videos and other cool stuff. I'm Steve Smith with HillBilly Mojo. Stay wild and free.